Ganda ng kakainan mo ah. For Mother's Day. Straight ahead. Hiking. Pagkatapos akyatin, meron pala tong mini hike. And turn left. Ooh. Cafe Point. Good morning. Happy Mother's Day with a small hike. Wow! Ordered beef tapa. And for the mommy, beef tapa. Smile. What's that? Adobo Mekeni. This is beef pares for Johan.
So, kaya umahin. Okay?